Hi, today we are here at the Gateway Emily YMCA in Elizabeth, New Jersey. Today we will be speaking with Alane McCahey in regards to the Heart Walk Shaping Elizabeth to promote wellness for our residents in Elizabeth, New Jersey. Hi, Alane. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself and how do you contribute to the YMCA here in Elizabeth, New Jersey?
Sure. I'm the Executive Director of Community Initiatives, and I work with our YMCA to support health and well-being with the communities we serve. As a cause-driven organization, we want to ensure that all members of our community have access so they can live healthier lives. So I work in Elizabeth with a team called Shaping Elizabeth in order to encourage community health within Elizabeth.
With the Heart Walk.
With the Heart Walk, the YMCA is the sponsor of our Shaping Elizabeth team, which is composed of community leaders from all across Elizabeth, committed to improving the health and well-being of the residents of Elizabeth. We know that increased physical activity and improved nutrition will help people live healthier lives. So we're trying to see how can we support the community so they can make better choices in their own lives to be healthier.
So what exactly is Shaping Elizabeth? Shaping
Elizabeth is a community team. It was started with partners like Trinitas Regional Medical Center, Groundwork Elizabeth, Elizabeth Development Company, and the City of Elizabeth. That was our core group. And we received a grant from Shaping NJ to look at ways that can change policy and environment to support healthy living. So this group has been working since January 2013, and this is our second year together, and we've even grown with new partners at this time. The Heart Walk actually started with, we did a walkability audit last year to see how safe and how the community was for people to walk, and at the same time, Trinitas Regional Medical Center was working with the American Heart Foundation, and part of the American Heart Foundation is this walk every year to encourage walking for improved healthy heart, so that people would have less chronic disease around heart disease. So Trinitas did it last year with the City of Elizabeth, and we thought Shaping Elizabeth could expand it this year, get more people out walking, get more in the community to understand how important physical activity is. So we kind of hopped onto their bandwagon, and we're trying to get everybody out and walking on April 2nd, which is the American Heart Association's National Walking Day.
How has the YMCA gotten involved?
Well, the YMCA is a cause-driven organization trying to strengthen the foundations of community for youth development, healthy living, and social responsibility. So in all areas, this community work fits into what we're trying to do to strengthen communities. Most importantly, knowing we can't do it alone, so we need to work with the rest of the community so we can reach as many people as possible, get this message out about healthy living so that we can help prevent people from getting chronic disease. Prevention is the key. For chronic disease, we have diabetes, very high rate of diabetes in this community, very high rate of heart disease in this community, especially affecting Hispanic and African American people. So we want to make sure in this community people have what they need so that they can be healthier. So we got involved because we're cause-driven and because we want to strengthen the foundations of community. The target audience is everyone. We want everyone to be able to get out and walk, children and adults. But for this particular walk, we're walking at 12 o'clock. So we're really targeting people that work within the community. We want people to understand that sitting in your office all day and just not getting up and being active at all is very unhealthy. So if you can get up and get 30 minutes of activity on a day, it would really improve people's health, especially in the offices. So our target offices are the community that is working in Elizabeth, and we want everyone on that day to take 30 minutes, no matter where you are, form a group and get out and walk on that day. And if you can take a picture of your group and send it to #ShapingElizabeth, we're going to put this on Facebook, we're going to tweet it out. We want the community to grow and understand about Shaping Elizabeth and the wanting to get out and walk for 30 minutes a day and how that's going to improve your health. So the target is everyone should get out and walk, but for this day, we're targeting the workforce within the Elizabeth community. The event is April 2nd, which is next Wednesday. We would like anyone to get out at any time, but we are going to walk at 12 o'clock down at the Midtown Walking Path in Elizabeth, which is off of Broad Street. And we're going to leave here at the YMCA at 144 Madison Avenue at about 11:45 to meet up with Trinitas Regional Medical Center, to meet up with the people from that work for the City of Elizabeth, and anyone else that would like to walk with us at that time. But if you can get out where you work and you want to walk for 30 minutes, that's great too. So you can either do it as your group or join our group in getting out to walk April 2nd, 12 o'clock. So you can sign up by sending me an email, McCahey, that's AMCCAHEY, at tgfymca.org, or go onto our website, www.ymcatgfymca.org, find out more about the walk, and send me an email.
Thank you for your time, Alane.
Thank you so much.